everybody, welcome back. John from Cedar Creek RC here. I got this Redact Gen 8 Scout on trade. Super cool truck. Looks awesome. Super scale looking. Gen 8 V2. It needs some work. I got it as a little project. It's a little dirty. It's going to need some work. It's got super huge wheels and tires on it. I'm going to have to figure out my camera angles and everything. I haven't done, if you've watched my channel for any length of time, I haven't done any real work on tent scale stuff. I do have a SCX 10.3 and I have TRX 4M, kind of. It's all made out of Chinese parts that I got for super cheap. But this is going to be kind of a build series and cleanup series and maybe some slight modifications. I'm going to have to figure out how to keep screws and everything organized. I think I'm just going to use a tray or a container from Harbor Freight. They seem to do really well holding screws. I won't show you the cleaning process, and I don't even really know where to start. I'm going to have to strip down the axles. I got a bearing kit already. I went ahead and ordered that. I don't know what the grease situation is in the transmission or the axles or anything. So yeah, this is going to be my new build. I'm going to strip it down. I got a screw kit coming from K&K Hardware because these screws are looking a little rough. I think it's been in a lot of water. But I'm hoping it can get kind of a full restore, except for the body. I don't know what I'm going to do about a body yet on it, but I want to get this looking brand new and then get it dirty again. So this is the start, and we will see how it turns out. But I appreciate everybody watching. Like, subscribe, share, and keep crawling, and hope everybody has a great day and stay safe out there.